Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah An-Nisa, ayah number 27 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والله يريد أن يتوب عليكم. For wow, circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws, attach with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. And by default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long, so we are making it 2 counts long. Wallahu. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Sound is short. You, yeah, is very soft. You're lifting your middle of your tongue towards palate, but you're not touching it. That is making yeah very soft. You, for Dhamma, circle your lips. You, re, 2 counts long, and ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ri, do. For Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short and very sharp. There is no flow of sound. Do. Ai, Hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. For Fatha, open your jaws. Attach with, yeah, because this is idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. Ai, and yeah is very soft. Yeah, two for circle. For Dhamma, circle, let's make it 2 counts long. Ba, short. Ain from your throat. For Fatha, open your jaws. Lay, 2 counts long because this is lean. And make it soft. And for Fatha, open your jaws and then attach with ya softly. Lay, kum. For Dhamma, circle, let's attach with mim. We'll get above the wasut. Kum. Wa. For wow, circle, let's for Fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Yuridul. For Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. As soon you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position and you will give tawassut. Dul. But fatha is short. La. The 2 counts long. Na. Short. Yet. Ya is soft. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ta. Ta has shidda. There is no flow of sound. Yet. Ta. For fatha, fatha is short. B for kasra, keep E sound, ru, ain from your throat, and make it 2 counts long and circle your lips. For dhamma, ru, nash. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with sheen. Sheen will get rakhaf and the fashi, and this is light. Nash. And then fatha is very short. Sha, ha, from your throat, and it is short. Wa, 2 counts long. For wow, circle your lips, but make it 2 counts long. Wa, ti. For kasra, give E sound. There's no flow of sound. The sound is very sharp. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. So to make any ikhfa light, you are keeping your tongue straight. So what are the steps of ikhfa? You are not pronouncing noon. You're going towards the upcoming letter. And here, this is ta. And you are keeping the sound in your nose. Ta. Ta is very sharp. No flow of sound. Me, 2 counts long. Lu, 2 counts long. And as for circle your lips. Circle. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Mai, 2 counts long because this is lean. Lean letters are 2 counts long. What is lean? Ya and waw. If they are sakina and you find fatha before it, these are the conditions to make it long because of the lean, and you're making it soft too. Mailan. The ruling is idhar, sifa, and tawassut. Lan. Ain from your throat for fatha, open jaws. Ali, 2 counts long. Mad Ayat is turning it into 2 counts long vowel. عظيما والله يريد أن يتوب عليكم ويريد الذين يتبعون الشهوات أن تميلوا ميلا عظيما. You. Yeah, it's very soft. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Ri, ra is light and make it 2 counts long. Dullahu. Dal is light, but lafz jalala is heavy. Why this is heavy? Because you can find dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it is heavy. Dullah. And by default, it is 2 counts long. Lafz jalala is 2 counts long. Dullahu. So make sure you are keeping this dal light, but lafz jalala heavy. Dullahu. Ha is short. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Ain. This is idgham with gunna. Ain. You. For Dhamma, circle your lips. And keep, soft. You are lifting your tongue up to the palate, but it's not touching it. That is making very soft letter. You. Khaw. Khaw is heavy for fatha. Open your jaws, attach it. Fa. Fa will get hums. And it has rakawa, so the sound should not stop. Khaffi for kasra, give e sound. The sound is very short with kasra. Fa, fa is short with hums. Whenever you are looking at fa, pronouncing fa, you are giving hums in any condition. Ain from your throat for fatha, open your jaws, and this is ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light because kaf is among light letters. Akum for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach it. Mim will get sifa of the wasut. Huwa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open jaws. Hu is heavy. For Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Li for kasra, give e sound. Qal, qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Qal, hamza is very sharp. And there is ikhfa. Sa, 2 counts long. Nu, for Dhamma, circle your lips. God is heavy. For fatha, open jaws. Ain from your throat. And make it 2 counts long. Fa. With hums, you are making it 2 counts long because this is mad arid lissakun. This is mad iwad. The mad iwad is turning it into 2 counts long. And we are exchanging the sound of the noon into 2 counts long vowel, and this is called mad. I will. يريد الله أن يخفف عنكم وخلق الإنسان ضعيفا. Is 4 counts long and make soft. You're lifting your tongue up, but you are not touching it to the palate. That's why this is very soft. And making it 4 counts long. Ay. Hamza is very sharp, attached with and you are giving nabar here. When you are attaching this hamza with this is the place when you are giving nabar. Ay, you. And for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Hal, attach ha with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut when you are attaching ha with lam. Hal, but fatha is very short. La, the 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Ma, short. No, for dhamma, circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp and it is attached with very sharp letter. So there is no flow of sound whatsoever. Ta, ku, for dhamma, circle your lips. Kaf is light. Lu, 4 counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with mim. Mim will get sifa of the wasut. Wa is 2 counts long. Circle your lips for wow. La, short. Kum. This is ikhfa shafawi. You are hiding the sound of mim here. Kum, and keeping the sound in your nose. This is very important in ikhfa. Bay, for this is lean. Make it 2 counts long, and it is soft too. When you are pronouncing this fatha, give a nice detached position of to this fatha, and then attach with softly. بين. Na is short. Kum. For Dhamma, circle your lips. And there's ikhfa shafawi. Again, you're keeping the sound in your nose too. Kum. Yil. For kasra, give E sound. Don't skip this E sound of kasra, even though it is attached with the coming up second letter. Bil. And give the wasat on lam. Ba. 2 counts long. Li, ta is heavy. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Li, for kasra, give E sound. Il, Hamza is very sharp. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Il, and then it is 4 counts long. La, Hamza is very sharp. And there is ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letters. So, ta is short and very sharp letter. Who, 2 counts long. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Na, short. T, for kasra, give E sound. Ta is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. The sound is short with with kasra. T, ja is 2 counts long. Ra is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Then this ruling is hard, but sifa is tawassut. So keeping you're high giving the sound a little flow. Tijaratan, ain from your throat, and after that there is ikhfa. So and this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letters. So how we can make any ikhfa light? By keeping our tongue straight. Ta is very sharp, no flow of sound. Ra, 2 counts long, and ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is long. Ra, di, dim. Dad is heavy, and after that there is idgham, and this is gam is with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because this gunna is akmal. Ghim, and then there is ikhfa. Because of ikhfa, don't skip this kasra sound. It's E. Minkum. For the circle lips attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, for wow, circle lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Taqo. Ta is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attached with qaf. Qaf is heavy, and you will give qalqala. Taqo. 2 for the circle lips. Lu, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. And there's ikhfa, and ikhfa is light. Why? Because this fa is among light letters. Fu for the circle lips. And for fa, you are not skipping hums ever. Whenever you're looking at fa, you're giving hums. And hums is a flow of breath. Fu, sa for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Kum for the circle lips attached with me, we will get sifa of the wasut. In Hamza is very sharp for and it is attached with noon. Noon will get sifa gunna, and this is akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, and fatha is very short, attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. In Allah, and by default, this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Inna Allah, ha is short. Kaf is light, and make it 2 counts long. Na, short. D, for kasra, give E sound. The ba sound is very sharp, no flow of sound. Kum, for the circular lips attached with mim, will get sifa of tawassut. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. The sound is short. Ra, he. There is hams on ha, and make it 2 counts long, and don't skip this kasra sound. This is he, and mud, mud. I will. This is mud. I will. So we are exchanging the sound of tanween into long vowel, and that is making it 2 counts long. So this is ma, rahima. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تأكلوا أموالكم بينكم بالباطل إلا أن تكون تجارة عن تجارة تجارة عن تراض منكم تجارة عن تراض بي تراض منكم ولا تق ولا تقتلوا أنفسكم إن الله كان بكم رحيما إلا أن تكون تجارة عن تراض منكم ولا تقتلوا أنفسكم إن الله كان بكم رحيما سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته